People, the chicken foot are cooking up, and that me I talk about. No, so the chicken foot are cooking up. When me say the chicken foot are cook, can I get 2 Buster, please? You don't even know what Buster is, but I'm gonna show you what Buster is today. Yeah, man, it's a Buster, yeah, people. Yeah, Buster, sweetie.
Yes, sir, Buster.
Yes, people, you don't know what I want. So we outside. Welcome to 24-hour kitchen. I'm Ringo Vision. You know what I want. You're locked into the program of excitement, food, and you understand, upliftment vibes, people, every time. If you just logged into the program, big up yourself. Happy New Year. You don't know what I want. We're in our 2024. Soon we're going to be going into a new season today, people. But quickly today, I want to go with something today now, because man, I cook a pot of food today, yeah. But I said I weren't going to give you guys any more episodes until the new season comes, because I've got something created for you guys for the new season. Big up yourself, stay tuned, keep sharing up the channel, keep just doing what you guys have been doing. You guys have been absolutely amazing. Today on the menu today, people, yeah. Wallan. Today on the menu, everyone, yeah, I have on the menu. See them there? Yeah, man, them sit down and wait in the water, man. Yeah, man, them I wanna call it steppers, man. You ever hear about Karachi, Kung Fu? Yeah, man, the real chicken foot, people. We are going to curry the chicken foot today. When me say, today is going to be a curry chicken foot day. If you are a chicken foot lover, please let me know ASAP. Yeah, man, good vibes. Same time, we're over here and we just done some curry goat. Yeah, man, and we're bagging them up. So, good vibes. Things are going on inside of the environment, people. Big up yourself. 24-hour kitchen. Chicken foot, people, yeah. Curry chicken foot today, people, yeah. Good vibes. Yes, everybody. So we reached that part there where we put the curry in the oil. Alright, look at now. Good vibes. So, yeah, man. We season up the chicken foot, them people. Curry chicken foot. Good vibes. Joe, yeah, man, in iPad. Alright, so if you've never had chicken foot before, check out the last previous episode with Big Man. Because we did the brown stew chicken foot, now we are doing the curry chicken foot. Yeah, man, a steppers pot, people. Yeah, big up yourself. It's a good vibes. We're in 2024, people. We're in a new season coming up very shortly. I'll be giving you some updates throughout this program, everyone, yeah. So yeah, man, just go and stay tuned. Oh, look at that. So what's most important right now, yeah, is to keep stirring the chicken foot so that it doesn't burn. So what we're trying to do, we're trying to get that lock-in flavor of the curry, you understand, people, onto the chicken foot. Yeah, man, a good vibe. Big up yourself. All of you that just come into the program. Yeah, man, a chicken foot where I deal with people, yeah, a good vibes. Ah, people, the chicken foot are cooking up. That me I talk about. No, so the chicken foot are cooking up. When me say the chicken foot are cook, yeah, man, it's a good vibes, people. Yes, I'll just take a little quick pit stop here. I just come into the shop car. Two little Jamaican things that I'm talking about. Can I get 2 Buster, please? You lot don't even know what Buster is, but I'm gonna show you what Buster is today. Yeah, man, it's a Buster, yeah, people. Yeah, Buster, sweetie.
You said Buster?
Ah, you see they know, yeah, ask for Buster. Yeah, man, they sell Buster in here, man. Good vibes. Yes, people, look at that. Yeah, man, I'm just gonna get myself some Buster. Yeah, man, good vibes.
That's it, yeah?
Yeah, that's it. So, yeah, man. Yeah, man, so look at this. Cheese crunchies, real cheese biscuits, people, yeah, good vibes. And then I got myself my 2 Busters. I'm gonna get back, car. We're cooking some chicken foot. Rotted. Now I tell you, people, so yeah, man, we just catch a Buster, car. I had to go and see if they had Busters in the shop. We got Busters in the shop, so I got the Buster right now. I'm getting back to the chicken foot. You don't want to go on, people, yeah? All right, look out. Stay tuned. Yes, people. So yeah, man. So we're there, so the chicken foot, curry chicken foot is completed. All right, I done show you yam and banana boil up bare time, so I didn't go through the process, but I'm here right now. Yes, everybody. So at the same time, guess what, I just want to give you a quick update on what's going to be happening on the channel here over the duration of the next couple weeks. So all right, so we're creating and finalizing the new season that's coming for 24 Hour Kitchen, people. Yeah, so we're going into a new season, we're in a new year, so there's a whole range and a whole bundle of things that's going to be compiled together. You know, it's all about food, but you know, the traveling is there, the excitement is right here, and we're just going to bring it all one place, 24 Hour Kitchen, right here on YouTube to you guys. Big up yourself, you guys are absolutely amazing. Yeah, we're gonna be dishing out dinner in a second. I'm here live and direct with my boy Wetsy's on camera. Big up yourself, Wets. M.R. headline show. I've got some behind the scene footage to also give you guys here, so have a look at this. Good vibes. Whoop.
Finalizing. My boy can't style with it. Hey. Turn it up. Look. Man can't try to be rough. Oh no, man can't try to be bad. Man can't try to be rough. No, man can't try to be bad. The man know your blood can't walking. Are you fucking mad? But man can't try to be rough. Oh no, man can't try to be bad. You might see some things on the fucking internet, but then don't bumper clots into my face. I want rock high badness. I want YGP badness. You hear me bumper clots say? Look, man can't try to be rough, but no man can't try to be bad. Man can't try to be rough. No, man can't try to be bad. You know man on your block can't walking. Are you fucking mad? No man can't try to be rough, but no man can't try to be bad. No, man can't try to be wicked. People fighting daily, any violation ends up. Fiber don't get off balance. I don't do bad, I don't any guy got them happy. Think about that life like that when they're on there, girl, that's what the pattern. You try to money, you'll shake about it. It's not money like a, you know when the man there, we go, when they're outside, you're smiling. Just Google that, no guy got take up and Google that. No bad man, think you're bullshit that. Hot girl, why number one do that? Put it out to me, don't read, look at that. 2023, they don't look at that. We love it with the girl, them ass. We love it with the girl, them. Not do Ralphie, you're not killer, you're not bounty. Whatever lyrics, and that county. We have to link, you can't show me. Look at them dummies, give up. Drink like water and she like that, yeah. Hey ladies, girl want to ride up on the right back, yeah. Just let me know if you can ride that.
Nah, but I had to show you guys this anyway, even though I said I'm gonna show you it's not about the yam and the green banana and all that. But yeah, man, the banana is there boiling up in the skin, people, yeah. A good vibe. So we're almost at that completion anyway. A dish we are going to dish up right now, people, yeah. Good vibes. This is what I'm talking about, people. We say it wets the foot.
Got one left.
One left.
Had
Alright, people. You
had
see
about
that?
8 of them.
8 of them.
Woo.
Woo.
Feeling like footsie.
Fully active, my father. Yeah, that people. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment, share, do the right thing. My name is M.R. Big up Ringo Vision. You don't know 24-hour kitchen. The headline show was a success, people. Big up everybody that turned out. Big up everybody that was involved in the show. We did create history. Yes, we had our headline show in London. Ringo, we sold out. We smashed the show. It was just successful. So again, big up everybody who come out to the headline show. It meant a lot to me, this show, because this was my first headline show, not me getting booked for a show. It was my headline show, and we sold out, and it was successful. So big up the team. You don't know Ringo Vision, YGP. You don't know anything set, people. We're now on tour, so we could be in your town very soon. So look out for us. That is it.
Yeah, man, people. Are good vibes, everybody. Big up yourself. As M. said, thank you very much. I hope you guys enjoy the chicken foot, you know. Yeah, man, a chicken foot, you don't know. So this one was all about the chicken foot, and also giving you the behind the scenes of the headline show as well, people. Yeah, look out for the tour, because we're there on tour right now, and M.'s traveling all around the country, people. Yeah, and we're gonna be showing you the behind the scenes. So just stay tuned, people. Yeah, you don't know 24-hour kitchen. We're there, we sign off. Just stay tuned, people, on the journey outside. Good vibes. Oh, fully active.